In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view LinkedIn without an account. Have you ever wondered what your LinkedIn profile looks like to someone else? Well, today, we are diving into a simple yet effective process to simulate the perspective of an external visitor to your profile. Let us get started by heading over to your LinkedIn profile. Once you are on your profile page, take a moment to look at the top of your browser window where the URL is displayed. This URL is essentially the direct link to your profile, and it is going to be the key to viewing it as someone else would. Go ahead and copy that URL. Now, with your LinkedIn profile URL in hand, the next step is to open a new incognito window in your web browser. Depending on what browser you are using, whether it is Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or another option, open their version of private browsing. Incognito or private browsing mode is a fantastic tool for this task, because it allows you to navigate the web without leaving a trace of your browsing history. This means any views made in this mode are not colored by your personal settings or previous sessions and become a clean slate for your browsing activities. With your new incognito window open, it is time to paste the copied LinkedIn profile URL into the address bar and hit enter. By doing this, you are accessing your profile without any logged-in LinkedIn session affecting the view. Think of it as peeking into your profile from the standpoint of a fresh account. Imagine having no prior connections or personal browsing history recorded. It mirrors how any third-party visitor would perceive your profile. When you press enter, your LinkedIn profile will load in this incognito window, presenting exactly how it shows to someone who is not logged into LinkedIn or is viewing it from a different account. This perspective can be incredibly insightful, especially if you want to understand what a recruiter or someone unfamiliar with your profile might experience. This method effectively places you into the shoes of potential connections, allowing you to assess whether your LinkedIn profile presents all the critical information clearly and professionally. Through this lens, you can gain insightful feedback and consider any necessary adjustments, ensuring that your online presence is a true reflection of your professional brand and objectives. Whether you need to update sections, tweak your headline, or ensure your profile picture is both appealing and appropriate, viewing your profile as an outsider is an invaluable strategy. So there you have it, a straightforward process to view your LinkedIn profile as someone else would. Hopefully, this helps you present yourself in the best possible light and aligns with your career goals. Thanks for watching.